What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video today for you guys to check out. So today's video is going to be about a young lady that throws a man's food away. No. A woman that throws her boyfriend's home-cooked, A woman that throws away boyfriend's home-cooked meal and demands that he takes her out. Let's get into the video.
So y'all tell me what's so bad about me deciding to cook a home-cooked meal for my girl?
No, everything is bad about it. Just what I'm saying, because it's our second day.
So what?
I expected you to take me to the Capitol Grill.
And we will go to the Capitol Grill.
When?
On another day. We went out last.
Keep his word. I have more. Rich take me out and do more for
I'm keeping my word.
No,
you haven't even
keeping your word.
You haven't even.
You're not.
You don't even know that yet.
No, listen. You see this?
I see it. It's amazing.
It looks amazing.
It looks amazing.
It looks black, brown, crusty, dusty.
It looks like you just want something to complain about to me.
It's not that I want something to complain about, but I expect you to stick by your word.
I am sticking by my word.
No, this is our second day.
Exactly. So how do you know?
Girl, and we're not going.
How do you know that though?
Because I'm here. What do you mean? No. Okay.
Yeah.
I appreciate the effort of you cooking,
right.
But I wanted to go out with you. I want to have
fun.
And
we will, but I wanted to cook for you. No, I want to show you that. I want to show you versatility. It's easy for me to take you out.
This is too. No.
Yes, it's easy for me to take you out.
Okay, it's easy for you.
It takes a lot more thought to cook for somebody, right? That's all I'm saying.
I do not want this. You get me? I don't want this. I expected more from you, and that's that. Like, come on.
So you wait until I cook up this meal just for you to decide that you don't. I told you we were coming to my house. What did you think?
That we're going to the Capitol to grill,
and we will go there eventually. But tonight you're at David's house eating my dinner.
So that means what? You do not keep your word, right?
I do keep my word.
You do not keep your word.
If I didn't keep my word, why? If I didn't keep my word, how did I cook you?
Don't have it. Just say you don't have it.
I absolutely have it.
Actually, tell me and have me expect maybe. Okay, I don't have it. I'm gonna cook something cute for her. She might like it. No, but you have to come over here expecting we're going somewhere, and we're not actually going. I don't like that. I don't. I can have you do more for me than what you're doing to me. No.
Well, guess what? Guess what? You're with me right now. Okay.
I'm with you right now.
Yes, we're on a date right now.
Exactly.
They didn't make the cut, and I did.
I'm with you right now.
They must have not did something right. I didn't lie to you about anything.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You told me we was going to the Capitol Grill.
And we will go to the Capitol Grill, but I decided to cook for you this time.
I need you to stick by your word.
I do.
You're not.
I always stick by my word.
No, you're not. No, you are not.
You were just over here complaining. You haven't even had one bite of this food.
I don't want to have
You haven't even taken one bite out of it.
I expected to have.
Wow.
I expected more.
You shouldn't be expecting stuff so early on.
You shouldn't be lying to me so early.
I didn't lie to
you. Shouldn't be lying to me so early.
I didn't lie about anything.
I'm here for a reason, right?
This is the second day.
I'm here for a reason, right? I'm here for a reason,
right?
Yeah,
because you want to be here.
I expected to go to the Capitol to grill, okay? I want to go out. I don't want to stay in, okay? You should have told me that. You should communicate.
I communicated
like
with
men
you.
too, like these y'all don't communicate. Y'all want to say that y'all have so much, y'all don't. Like these y'all don't communicate. Y'all want to say that y'all have so much, y'all don't. I can really like pull up and take me where I need to go for real.
Why don't you go with them then?
Okay.
Why don't you go with them?
You're right.
Since they are so much better than me, then why don't you go with them?
It's better. It's about them keeping the stack and you keeping the zero.
I kept it. This is my house. I own this house. Okay.
You own this house?
Yes, I own this house.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you. And I decided to
own a house. You can keep your word too.
I absolutely can.
So like you signed the lease, the mortgage. You can.
You are ungrateful. You are ungrateful.
I'm not ungrateful.
You're ungrateful.
You are a liar.
You are ungrateful. I didn't lie about nothing. You're ungrateful.
You're false. You probably
forget it. Just you know what? Yeah, just forget it. Just give me my food back. Yeah, give me my food back. I will cook it for another woman. That she'll be appreciative. Because you know what? You ain't the woman for me.
Right. I'm gonna have to go.
Yeah. You do that. You do that.
And I tell you, boy, a lot of y'all be out here working overtime for these bust downs, man. Listen, if you pay, I was looking at the outfit, right? Because when I'm thinking, I don't know what restaurant that was. I'm not sure. I know they kept saying it. I'm not about to look it up or anything, but it sounds like it was a decent restaurant, right? And I do understand the time that a young lady can potentially put in her looks to go out, right? So before I pass any judgment, I was like, wait a minute, let me get a close look and see exactly how long this takes. Starting from the head to the toe. So we didn't get to see the feet. We didn't get to see the toes or whatever. So we'll just start from the head. You got some straight back braids, right? Fam, I know a young lady that can do that for $40, right? And then you had the little mini blind, what is that thing? Those things called the little. Come on, man. I know a young lady that can do that for $20. So we at $60 right now. That shirt that you had on came from Route 21. That's a $7 shirt. And then you had on tights. You had on tights. You didn't have on nothing elegant, something, you looking nice. I'm talking about bomb, maybe some nice heels or whatever. That outfit that you had on was less than, man, listen, you can get that whole outfit, including the fake hair and everything that she had, for less than $100. And you complaining about somebody not taking you out, you ain't even dressed for the occasion. The way that you're dressed, the way that you look right now, no, that's saying that we need to be staying in the house. Matter of fact, give me that steak back. You don't even need steak and potatoes and whatever else was on that plate. No, you need a doggone, we're going to go and get you some McDonald's. A McDonald's meal. All right? The fact that you have the attitude and you acting like that, like you deserve this and you deserve that. No, ma'am. You most certainly do not. The attitude that you have alone, you got the right to get on up out my house. That man, like he was saying, man, listen, I own this. All right? And if you're making those type of, it sounds like you're making good financial decisions. You need to make some better relationship choices, fam. This is not the type of young lady that you want on your arm in any way, shape, form, or fashion. Now, it would have been different. I'm going to be honest with you. It would have been a little bit different. This is the second date. And this looks like, what I'm saying, she just walked out there on a red carpet. Hey, I got to take you out. I got to take you. I got to show you out because you looking bomb. You got yourself put together. You know what I'm saying? You sport your natural hair. The beautiful face. You got a nice little dress on with some bad heels. Oh, man. They have to see you with on my doggone arm. We got to make this happen. But you got on that basic, I'm not going to curse, but you got on that basic outfit and you talking about you want to go out? No, we staying right here. You got on tights. Tights is what, $7 to $10? Them cheap tights, man. And then they look like they were paper thin. You got them things from City Trends. And you talking about going out. Girl, if you don't sit your butt down somewhere, no, we're not rocking like that, all right? And then it wasn't a bad meal. That looked like some steak right there. I don't know what it looked like in the middle of that thing, but he prepared a steak dinner for you. Like, enjoy that. And it just drives me crazy, man. When I see people in similar situations like this, you are in my house that I have paid for. I own this house, but I invited you in here. I'm cooking dinner for you. And you got the nerve to be ungrateful? Let me tell you something. It wouldn't have been no convincing player. As soon as she would have been like, I thought we was going to, you know what, ma'am? I'll tell you what. You need for me to call you an Uber? Because I'm going to enjoy this meal. With or without you. Like, we not sitting here doing that, man. Fellas, you got to get out of that doggone business. I'm not in the convincing business. And I don't think that anybody else should. If you have to convince anybody on why they should, you got to do all this back and forth. And you're still not coming to a common ground. You're not getting anywhere. This wouldn't even have been a 5-minute conversation. It probably wouldn't even been a 2-minute conversation dealing with me. Like, either you can stay and cut that noise, or you can go. The fact that you brought it up, you got to go anyway, man. But I want to hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think about this particular situation? Do y'all think that she was right? Do y'all think that, he should have taken her out? Because she did say that he was lying, right? I guess he did say, we're going to go out to this place, that place. And for that, I guess I can somewhat understand, because I believe if you tell somebody you're going to do something, you definitely should do it. But if you know you going out and that's the outfit you chose to put on, no, if we going to a nice restaurant, I'm going to say right now, if I pull up and you ain't got, I'm going to say, hey, you need to go change. Like, yeah, no, if I'm taking you out, man, with certain people, they already know. If we going out to a nice restaurant, then I'm going to dress for the occasion. if I got to have that conversation with you, 9 times out of 10, I'm not dealing with you. But I want to hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think? Y'all comment down below and let's get into it. All right, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa. Too bad was you know they roll.